Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Snowblower battery is probably one of the most convenient tools to tackle those heavy snowfalls. But with so many options out there, finding the right one can feel like navigating a blizzard. In this video, we'll cut through the confusion and help you find the perfect Snowblower battery to make your winter a breeze, so you can enjoy the snow days without the backbreaking work. Number 5. Snow Joe 24V IONMAX Cordless Snowblower 24V X2 SB18. This snowblower is powered by Snow Joe's exclusive IONMAX 24-volt lithium-ion battery system. It delivers zero-emission performance with two 4.0 Ah batteries. This means it's better for the environment. Equipped with a heavy-duty rubber-tipped steel blade auger, this machine clears a wide path. It can clear an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass. This makes snow removal quick and efficient. You can direct snow exactly where you want it. The adjustable 180-degree chute control allows you to throw snow up to 20 feet away. This gives you great control over the snow removal process. This snow blower is ready for use anytime, even at night. With a built-in 2-watt LED headlight, it ensures safer and more effective nighttime operation. This feature enhances visibility in low-light conditions. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless design. Free yourself from the hassle of extension cords. You can also expand its power by purchasing additional IONMAX batteries, doubling your runtime. What we like. This snowblower offers the ultimate in cordless convenience, freeing you from the constraints of cords. It also features a 180-degree chute control, allowing you to direct the snow exactly where you want it. Plus, the built-in LED headlight ensures safe and effective operation, even in low-light conditions. If you are looking for a snowblower that combines convenience, control, and safety, you should consider this one. What people say. It handles one snow very easily, was particularly good on the patio where a shovel snags on bricks, and I could do the whole job on one battery charge. It careened down the long driveway and quickly plowed away the 8-layer like a hot knife through butter. It can bite away at the multiple piles that the city snow plows leave at the end of the driveway. Number 4. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This kit includes everything you need for snow removal. It comes with a snow shovel, a protective cover, an ice scraper, a battery, and a charger. It's an all-in-one solution for your winter needs. The product is powered by a 400W motor, which is very powerful. It can move up to 1,620 pounds of snow per charge. This ensures fast and efficient clearing. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. You can easily clear snow from various surfaces without being tethered to a cord. This design provides maximum maneuverability. It cuts a 13-inch wide and 6-inch deep path in a single pass. This allows for quick and thorough snow removal. You can clear snow with minimal effort. It is operated by a 24V rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The battery provides up to 22 minutes of runtime. This allows for uninterrupted snow clearing. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to tackle snow removal, including a snow shovel, cover, and ice scraper. The powerful 400W motor ensures efficient clearing, and the cordless design provides maximum maneuverability. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for clearing snow from various surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. The snowblower is easy to start and use. The battery life is great. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Number 3. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing the Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This powerful tool makes removing snow from sidewalks, patios, and steps a breeze during the winter months. It's designed to make your life easier. The Snow Joe features a tough, 2-blade auger that clears an 11-inch wide and 7-inch deep path. It can throw snow up to 20 feet away. This ensures a clean and clear area. With its efficient battery and quick charger, you can clear up to 370 square feet per charge. There's no need for gas or oil. It's a convenient and eco-friendly solution. Weighing only 11.8 pounds, this snow shovel is lightweight and easy to handle. The ergonomic dual-handle design provides comfort and reduces strain. It's also very portable. The Snow Joe has a high-performance 400-watt motor that moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It's ideal for small to medium areas. This ensures efficient performance every time. What we like. This snow shovel is designed to be lightweight and ergonomic, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. It clears an 11-inch wide path and throws snow up to 20 feet. The efficient battery ensures you can clear up to 370 square feet per charge. If you like a lightweight and portable option for quick snow removal, you should consider this. What people say. The Snow Joe is the real deal. I held off writing this review until given the opportunity to beat the living heck out of it. After 8 snowstorms here in northern New England, and putting SJ to use after every single one, I feel I can safely say to you that this is a durable unit that does what it claims. The unit is powerful and hurls the snow a good 20 feet with no problem. It was easy to put together and I opted to go with the supplied battery. So far, so good. The battery holds a charge for a good 25 minutes before needing a recharge. Number 2. VOLTASK 24V Cordless Snow Shovel. This cordless snow shovel is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle. It boasts a powerful 24-volt motor and a long-lasting battery, capable of throwing snow up to 15 feet. Featuring an adjustable ergonomic handle, this snow shovel is designed for comfort and ease of use. Forget complicated assembly, you can start removing snow with a simple press of a button. This shovel can clear up to 11 inches wide and is perfect for various surfaces. It operates quietly, ensuring you won't disturb your neighbors while clearing snow. With no need for complex maintenance or tangled cords, this snow shovel offers a safe and hassle-free experience. It also includes a dual safety switch and waterproof battery compartment for added protection. VOLTASK is committed to delivering superior products, and this snow shovel is no exception. It's built to withstand harsh winter conditions and is a thoughtful gift for friends and family. What we like. This cordless snow shovel is lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle and maneuver. It features an ergonomic handle for comfortable use and operates quietly, so it won't disturb your neighbors. If you have a need for a quiet and easy-to-use snow removal tool, you should consider this. What people say. Exactly what I needed. It helped that I could direct the snow to the left or right. I've been able to clear a 14 by 26 foot deck along with 6 stairs and an additional 8 square feet on a second deck. Easy to use once you get the hang of it. Definitely throws the snow, and my husband thought it was funny to make it snow on me grinning face with smiling eyes. I would definitely say worth the money. Lightweight and easy to change which direction you want the snow to end up at. All the parts arrived, but I do wish they would have had a second battery with this set, but not something I can't go get. We've used it on fresh snow and old snow with it working great. My husband and I both love using it. Takes maybe 20 minutes to clear my path, walk, driveway and parking spot with this. If you get snow a lot, get this because it definitely helps. Number 1. Snow Joe 24VX2SB18TV1 Cordless Snow Blower. Introducing the Snow Joe Cordless Snow Blower. This powerful machine makes quick work of heavy snow, clearing your driveway and walkways with ease. It's designed for effortless snow removal. The Snow Joe features a robust 1200W brushless motor. This motor clears up to 14 tons of snow per charge. It is designed to handle even the toughest snowfalls. With an 18-inch clearing path and 10-inch depth, this snow blower cuts through deep snow efficiently. This allows you to clear your space in fewer passes. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with the Snow Joe. Powered by rechargeable 24V lithium-ion battery. The adjustable 180-degree chute control lets you direct snow discharge up to 20 feet away. This keeps your surroundings clear and prevents snow buildup in unwanted areas. The built-in 2W LED headlight illuminates your path for safe snow removal, even at night. This allows you to keep working when the snow won't stop. What we like. This snow blower boasts a powerful brushless motor, making quick work of even the heaviest snowfalls. It clears an 18-inch path and features an LED headlight for safe nighttime operation. It also offers the convenience of cordless operation. If you are looking for a powerful and efficient snow blower with added safety features, you should consider this. What people say. Assembly took about 5 minutes out of the box. It worked great for about 10 minutes or so in the regular snow and even started cutting up the icy stuff on my walkway. With some decent effort, I was able to carve out a 3-foot-plus path cave out of that huge drift. Not once did it stall out during this second trial, despite the fact that I was working the absolute hell out of it. It did bog down under heavy loads, but kept running and fought through whatever I put in its path. It worked flawlessly, without any loss of power, for about 15 to 20 minutes before my unloved hands started to freeze and I had to quit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.